Oh. Yo, you want to park here? No? Is it too low to go up here? Damn. Hey, what's going on, dude?
Hey,
It's been a while.
I know. Long time no see.
Yeah, man. How you been?
Good, good, good. How are you?
Good. Wow. And you lowered it too?
No, it came like that.
What?
came
Really?
like that.
It came like that? I mean, the previous owner, he
Yeah.
lowered it, right?
Yeah.
Wow, gee, look at the wheel. 20 inch?
19.
19? And the, like, it's like 300?
15.
Oh, Toyo. Wow. And it's hella stretched.
Yeah, 25s.
Oh, 25. That is really thin.
It's tuned.
It's tuned?
Yeah.
How many horses?
370.
370? Oh, that's not a lot.
That's
for,
not a lot.
For 911, yeah.
Factory's 315.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, so you used to have what was it? The Toyota MR, MR2 to Boxster,
Yep.
and now to 911.
Yep.
That's a huge upgrade, yo. Oh, is this a functional vent?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So this is the C4S. It has the same body as the turbo.
Oh,
So this is the wide body variant.
look at the width of the tire, dude. That's crazy. 6 feet. Wow, gee.
Needs some interior work, but that's okay.
Yeah. What year is this?
2002.
Oh, 2002.
Yep. 996.2.
996.2. Oh yeah, yeah. And this is a fake carbon.
Yeah.
Oh.
We had it 7 years ago.
7
It
years
was,
ago.
Before wrapping was a thing.
Oh, I see.
So it's like the very first stages of wrapping.
Oh, cool. My son.
I killed a dragonfly.
Is that your new car?
Yes. Oh no.
How are you?
Got toasted.
Good.
Oh, no, see.
New car?
New old car.
Is it like the second Porsche you have?
Yep, my second one.
Oh, cool. Is that carbon fiber?
No, it's a wrap.
Okay.
You don't have to have a license plate in the front?
No, not in Seattle.
Not in Seattle?
Not in Seattle.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's very good. Very good for what it is.
The frunk. Yeah. Is Porsche hard to drive? Like, is it like the weight distribution is all like focused on the rear, right?
Yeah, it's a little bit slippery for this.
Oh.
What it is.
Ooh, K&N.
Uh-huh.
Dude, that is so compact.
Yeah.
Is it what do you call it? The flat six? Yeah. Wow, the intake pipe really humongous. Yeah.
I think I need to bleed the coolant. It's running a little bit hot.
Oh, I see. Wow. No leaks, nothing?
No.
Wow.
Everything's rebuilt.
Rebuilt?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, receive the whole thing.
And how much did you buy it for?
23,000.
23?
Yeah. He wanted 25. I
Oh,
was
that,
gonna debate getting an S2000 or this thing. So I
oh,
got this instead.
oh yeah,
obviously.
definitely, of course.
Obviously.
Yeah, obviously, yeah. Okay, I've never dreamed of Porsche before, so I'm a little bit nervous.
So short shifter.
1 sec.
So, you know, notice how this is not normal neutral position.
Oh, this is
It's
neutral.
Offset.
Oh, really?
It's offset. So the pattern you already know.
Okay, so this is first.
Yep.
This is second.
Yep. So it's really short.
Third. Fourth and fifth. Oh yeah, it is short.
Yeah.
1 second. Let me just.
Other side.
Oh, okay, German. Alright, let me see. Ooh, dude, it's heavy. Oh damn, the clutch is heavy. Oh, okay. Let me practice a little bit. Third. Okay, cool. Woo, dude, it's gonna be. I don't know.
You'll be alright.
Okay, let's try it. Can I move it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, everything's so sticky.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nothing.
Sport seats, man.
Oh.
Different, right?
Oh yeah.
different but good.
Oh, the steering wheel's heavy. It's hydraulic, right?
Yep.
Yeah. What's the displacement?
3.6.
3.6. Oh.
Also, this is a racing pads, okay? So it doesn't have the same characteristic as street pads.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so it's
You gotta
warm
heat
it
it up.
up. Yeah.
Warm it up. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, it's the visibility is not good. I mean, because the car is too low,
yeah.
it's hard to see like
Yeah.
what's about to come here.
Uh-huh.
Oh. Okay, let me get used to the brakes and the pedals.
Yeah. So this is a drive-by-wire. That's why you feel like it's not instantaneous.
Oh.
It's not cable, okay?
Oh, it's not cable.
So it's delayed. That's why it feels weird when you shift.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So Porsche already had that.
Uh-huh.
Drive-by-wire, is that how you say it? Yeah.
Yep, drive-by-wire.
Okay. So it's basically electronically controlled.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh.
It's right. It's not instantaneous. Yeah. Yeah, it's hard to find gears in this car sometimes.
Yeah, after up until fourth,
Yeah.
I feel okay.
Yeah, you gotta go all the way to the right.
Right. Damn. But everything feels so tight. The steering wheel feeling
Oh yeah, it has coilovers.
coilovers.
Yeah.
Oh.
Coilovers and front sway bars.
Oh, sway bars. Okay.
Yeah.
Low end torque is pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I like 6-cylinder. I don't like the 4 anymore.
Oh yeah. Like I'm at 1500 RPM. And
Uh-huh.
still there's a good amount of torque.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. The bump. Oof.
Oof. It's okay.
Since the car is too low.
Come on, keep going.
Oh, no.
Keep going.
I do want to get pulled over, but
Just turn around.
yo, the second gear pull is
Uh-huh.
pretty good.
Yeah. Turn around, make it do another pull.
Yeah, maybe I should go straight. Yeah.
Sounds pretty good, right?
Oh,
Header and exhaust.
dude.
High flow cap.
Oh, it's crazy.
Yeah.
To be honest, I never driven a car that has more than 300 horsepower.
Oh. Me too. Me too. This is my first.
Oh yeah.
While owning one. Oh. It's not cable.
It's not cable. Yo. Okay, now I know how it feels like to drive a 300 horsepower car. Actually, almost 400.
Yeah.
You said 375?
370.
370.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you see how the cable is a little bit different, right?
Yeah.
Drive-by-wire is different.
Oh, third gear pull. Oh man. And the front doesn't feel light at all.
No, it's because the four-wheel drive.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna let you drive. Yeah, let me find a place to pull over. Oh, nice. Oh, love it.
Good, huh?
This is why everybody says Porsche is the best.
Yep.
It's made by aliens. Now the owner is gonna take the wheel. See what you got. Oh, look at that Carrera 4S.
So you don't want to drive back?
No. You know where to go, right?
Yeah, I'll just go route back.
Right. Alright, let's do this. Wow, the deep growling sound. Sounds like a Mustang. Alright, the bumps. First gear all along. Oh, yes, that's more like it. Yeah, wow, gee, that was super quick. The first gear pull, it's crazy.
All the way to the top.
Damn. Well, I didn't do the first pull because I thought I didn't want to ruin the transmission. Damn, but the sound, the exhaust sound, yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy good.
You should have driven the Boxer. That was fun too.
Oh yeah. Oh really?
Yeah, I should have let you drive that one.
How many horsepower was it?
That one's 240.
240. Oh.
But that one's a mid-engine. This is a rear engine.
Oh yeah.
So it's a little bit different.
Right.
I think you probably like the other one better.
Oh, yeah?
That one has better turn-ins.
Oh okay. This one's a little too front heavy. Yeah.
You feel like you're on the edge all the time.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's nuts. Crazy.
So you don't want to drive back?
No, I'm good actually.
See how it doesn't drone?
Oh yeah, it doesn't drone at all. Yeah. Oh no, next one. Yeah. There's a lot of bumps here.
Yeah.
Potholes, yeah. Yo, it definitely feels faster than Genesis Coupe.
Yeah.
I've driven one of those. 300 horsepower, 40 horsepower.
Oh, the 3.8, right?
3.8, yeah. A lot faster.
I
Yeah.
think because the all-wheel drive makes it feels better.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Oh, okay. Flip the gas. Yeah, not bad for $23,000.
Yep.
Yeah.
Gas mileage is good on highway too.
Really? How many mpgs do you get?
22.
22?
Yeah.
And you call it pretty good?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Oh yeah.
They go straight.
Yeah. Yeah, my stupid T-Run is getting like 22 mpg.
Even S2000 get bad gas mileage because the gearing is so short.
Oh. But surprisingly comfortable to drive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crazy, huh?
Yeah. Usually with like a single clutch, like a hard racing type of clutch.
Yeah.
It's hard to like make the car even go start.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one. Awesome, man. Yeah. Do you have any plan for like any modification? No.
Sorry.
Just as is. Yeah. It's pretty good already. Man, I wish I had one of these. Yeah, I wonder what next is. Got,
Let's
yeah.
go now. This is it.
This is it? Oh, you say that now, but yeah, we'll see.
This is it.
You-
This car is less loud than you guys so loud.
No, that can't be right.
It's
Maybe
so
maybe
loud.
because it's in the garage. The sound resonates.
It's the fake sound though.
The fake sound, yeah. The park can. Oh, dude.
Just sit in the back. My God, I remember.
How
those days
practical.
when I had to sit in the back.
Okay, it's less practical than that.
Oh, for sure, yeah.
Sit in the back.
Yeah. See, that one's louder.